Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, people should ask me why my hair is looking like this because even myself, I don't know. So it's been a while, and I'm back with this hair tutorial. So you see this hair? This hair is like it's going to be my birthday hair, you guys. My birthday is on the 15th of November, and I'm so excited. Actually, I'm not like I'm just growing old anyhow. So these are the extensions I'm using. I wanted to do like goddess braids, but I was like, do I have strength? Man, will pay me. The truth is, I was underrating twists. I didn't know that twisting would equally just be as hard as doing braids. So I decided to go for goddess twist or boho twist with coils. Anyone. So see the way those extensions are looking plenty. You guys, trust me, they're actually just within the budget. So it's not human hair coils or anything. It's everything there is purely what fiber. Okay. So you guys, these are the tools I'm using to make the hair. I don't even know why I did not bring out my rulers. See, it's only the bendy rulers I'm using, but I don't have strength. So let's get into the video. See these coils. You guys should just cut it from the weft. Basically, you just cut it from the weft. It came in bundle, so you just like hmm, the English is cut it from the weft, if you know what I mean. So now you see my hair. I got my hair parted for me already because, I've been saying get a three-way mirror. Sorry, my voice is like this. I'm having bad kata. So you guys, I've been saying get a three-way mirror. Me, if I've not gotten a three-way mirror, that thing is expensive. Anyways, you guys should just see how I am doing this stuff. It's easy actually, but not as easy as it looks like if you don't have any prior skill. But then you would actually learn from this video if you pay attention, okay? Yeah. So basically, this is me feeding in the extensions. I decided to add kinky to my own twist because there's something kinky does. You know how God used to bind couples together in church? That's how kinky will bind the attachments. Basically, kinky will just lump it. So even if he's looking, and you know one thing with kinky, the older it gets, the finer it gets. If you're just doing just this twist with the coily extension is slippery. So I feel like with time it will pull off. But then adding this kinky is just like the ultimate. The kinky there is just to join it together, eh, like bread and butter, basically. So this is how to add in your extension. When you put this coily extension, you basically just weave it back again, like weave it with your main hair. I don't know how people start twisting like directly from the roots. I don't know how to do that one, except I use like do the rubber band method or something like that. But when it comes to like twisting, I must start with braids first. Sorry, I'll start with braids before I actually start twisting. So so when you get to the twisting part, just split the hair equally. Try as much as possible to make it equally so that your twisting will not look like rough or so. You get something like that. So this is how you feed in your extension as you're moving, twist. You just don't twist. You kind of like twist the strands before you twist them. Something like that. And you keep adding, keep adding. For my own, I added like three of the extensions. Like I added the extensions three times. So I think that's pretty much it. The hairstyle is actually easy but not so easy. I spent like roughly 6 hours making this hair actually. My hand here, but I was determined and I was doing it in the night. I was determined to finish it because whatever is the goal and nothing will distract us from our goal. Period. Anyways, so The way my body is doing me, as if I should just deviate from this tutorial, this and enter another gist. Anyways, okay, you guys should just watch Alicia. Maybe I'll come and give you another explanation when I start the second one. Okay. Mwah. You guys thought I'll actually give you a break. No. So please, I'm going to get into another gist I beg. So what are we going to talk about? Mm. So I've actually been active on YouTube. It's not like I haven't posted any other like content, any other video, full video. I've just been trying to like optimize my YouTube shorts. So I've been trying to like post more of shorts. Okay. Let me not lie to you guys. Creating YouTube shorts is actually honestly easier than creating long term content. I mean, long time content. The same format you create YouTube shorts, that's the same way you create for TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. So it's the same camera format. But then to create like our full long YouTube videos, you have to like create your videos in landscape. Like, so it's actually like it's like different. So when I was actually creating this particular content, it was stressful because I had to like turn once I like do this part for what do they call it, for the other social media platforms, I would have to like turn the camera again and do the one for YouTube. But then it's for you guys, so why not? So you see this hair now that I'm doing now. If you watch closely, you see that my grip is actually tight. You have to make sure your grip is tight, or else the extension will slip from your hands. And then you can as well add your gel. Whether you feel like your hair is getting rough, you add more like gel or hair wax. I didn't add any because I didn't want so much grease. That's what I'll call it on my hair. So anyways, this video is honestly self-explanatory as far as I'm concerned. It's very detailed and everybody can learn from it. If you're a guy now, you can learn how to make your sister. You guys are just for my hands. Anyways, girls, this is a style. This is an inspo for you to go and give your hairstylist. So I'm equally a hairstylist. So I don't think I've ever told you guys about my journey, my hairstyling journey. So I learned hairstyling like officially lockdown. And then I actually had an interest in it, so I actually learned it like quickly. So I actually started doing it as a mini side hustle in school where I would like make people's hair. The first time I started, I was so gingered, I was so like hyped. I used to be like so serious. I used to advertise my work and stuff. But then like 2 years later I got lazy. Actually got lazy, but then I already like built a certain rapport with some people. So as much as I didn't advertise anymore, I still had people coming because okay, I've done their hair before and they're just coming back for more. Do you get? Yes. So and then when you're done with the hair, back to the hair, just the hair. I use my bendy rollers to see you guys. Hot water nearly even burn me here. Like content is not good because this kind of creating content like this that hot water nearly in fact. Anyways, so I use my black gel to like unravel the coils because you know gel like makes it stiff and will make sure your coils don't like spoil. Then I use my mousse. See, you guys should just get above mousse. It does the job. Others, I don't know, something used to just be wrong with others. Sorry, you guys. So putting mousse on your hair is like really so exciting, almost like you're a child playing with bubbles and stuff. I Actually, like I think it's like my favorite part of hairstyling. Actually, then I used my above Sheen spray. That one is an oil spray. So I use that one to like make it like shiny, nice, glossy. I'm waiting for the Sheen to just show so that we'll see exactly this one. So um I know that this particular voiceover is like really chaotic, but you guys, it's been a minute. And this hair is so gorgeous. Like I was like so impressed. Like so pretty, it's so fine. You guys don't worry, I can't wait to show you like the final look, the makeup look. Okay. Even me, I was like, I was falling in love with myself. You guys, this is the look. Are you guys seeing? Oh my god, this is so as I look like rich and see it's giving what it's supposed to give. You see this kind of thing. I don't know if you guys know Cruise with Joe. This is the kind of video that you need Cruise with Joe's voice over. So like it's so pretty. I actually like it. I'm really happy with the outcome. As you can see, it's so pretty, so neat, so nice, and I would recommend you get it done. So you guys, please do not forget to like this video. Oh yeah, now just be liking it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It's not hard. Just subscribe, okay? Then equally comment. You guys should engage me. Thank you. I would be very appreciative of that. And then I would definitely see you in my next video. Okay, you guys should come. And I have a couple of other videos that I released, and they're like sitting down videos. I tried something different, and then I like people's interaction with it, and it's yeah, it makes me feel like I can actually diversify a little. So, anyways, this hair is giving, and I know your life too would give. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.